If you have not yet used a Chroma Key in your CapCut desktop app, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you everything you need to know about the Chroma Key and what it's good for. So, let's go. So using the Chroma Key is relatively simple. It does work best with a green screen. So as you can see, I've got a video over here. It's on my timeline, it's on my main track. And once I've selected it, I'm going to go up to the top right hand side and I'm going to look for the background removal, which is just underneath video, audio, speed, animation. It says remove. We're going to click on this and go ahead and click on Chroma Key. And once you do this, you can go ahead now and use the color picker to pick the color that you would like to remove. As you can see now, you can also adjust the intensity as well as the shadow. So I'm going to go ahead and just put the intensity all the way up. This does make it look pretty awesome, but of course this cat does need a background. We can go one further and import a background. So as you can see over here, we've got this background. But first we need to take this video and we need to move it to the above track. So as you can see now, it's not on the main track anymore. We're going to click down on this image and we are going to put it in our main track. We can adjust the duration so that it fits the duration of the video. And from here, we can just make some adjustments to the actual background because right now it doesn't look very realistic. So on the top left-hand side of your screen, you're going to go and click on Effects. And from here, you will see there's a search bar at the top and you can click on the search bar and you can type in blur. We can now click down on this blur effect and put it on the background. You can see now on the right hand side you can adjust the intensity of the blur to make it look more realistic. And then we can click on the video of the cat, and here we can click on basic on the top right hand side and we can move the video of this cat so that it fits in to the background. So let's just go ahead and use this Y axis and move it down. You can see now that this does look a little bit more realistic. The cat has no green screen behind it anymore, and we've now successfully entered a background image, and this is now the best way to use a Chroma Key. If this was helpful, drop us a like, share it with a friend, and we'll see you next time, folks. Peace out!